Mom, in the beginning, did you ever consider inviting more people?
Who could we trust? We had to think about you.
The seconds ticking past so fast. Before you notice them, they're gone.
Someone's here.
Forever.
Can you see how she got in?
No. And there's half a mile of rock above us.
We live here.
We must be a family.
What about your family?
They're gone.
So you're alone?
When I close my eyes.
When I was little, people came.
Sometimes they seemed nice, but it always ended in the same way. They'd try and kill us every time.
Forever.
I just don't understand why she's here. It's like she has an agenda.
An agenda? I don't see what...
You don't see.
I'll never feel a storm blowing warm and wet. I'll never see the hills dark in silhouette.
I think I like her.
But you've never met anybody before.
Time from blue to black.
And I know it can't turn back.
What if we just left this place?
There's nothing out there.
You must be very brave, what you went through. We did everything to save you, if you only knew. What the hell did you tell her?